Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the NASA X-43, also known as the Hyper-X. This unmanned marvel, born in the year 2004, is a testament to the ingenuity and technological prowess of NASA. Now, why is it fast, you ask? Well, this baby flies at approximately 7,346 miles per hour, or roughly Mach 9.6 to be precise. Yes, you heard it right, Mach 9.6. That's almost 10 times the speed of sound. It's like New York to London in less than 15 minutes. Now, that's what I call speedy. With a speed data confidence rate of 95%, NASA's data on this drone is pretty solid and reliable. After all, we wouldn't expect anything less from the world's leading space agency, would we? But the Hyper-X isn't just about breakneck speeds. It also holds the world record for the fastest aircraft. That's right, the fastest aircraft in the world. Not a jet, not a rocket, but an aircraft. It's a unique breed of its own, a hybrid, if you will. A drone that combines the best of both aeronautics and astronautics. At number 4, we have an innovative spaceship, the LightSail 2. This technological marvel was built in 2019 by the Planetary Society. Yes, you heard it right. The Planetary Society, a non-profit organization co-founded by the one and only Carl Sagan, is the force behind this space wonder. Now let's talk about speed. The LightSail 2 travels at a mind-boggling speed of around 20,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a speeding bullet, faster than your average commercial jet, and even faster than the speed of the International Space Station. Crazy, isn't it? But here's where it gets even more interesting. The LightSail 2 doesn't rely on rocket fuel or any conventional propulsion system. Instead, it's propelled by something we all see every day, but probably never thought of as a means of propulsion. Sunlight? Yes, this spaceship sails on the momentum of photons, particles of light from the sun. It's a bit like a sailing ship, but instead of wind, it's pushed by sunlight. As for our speed data confidence rate, we're at around 80%. Why? Well, this is a relatively new technology, and the fact that it's propelled by sunlight means that the exact speed can vary. But even with that variability, the LightSail 2 is still pretty darn fast. And here's a fun fact for you. The LightSail 2 isn't just a spaceship, it's like a leaf floating in a super fast wind. It's a poetic image, isn't it? A delicate leaf sailing on the light, traveling at blistering speeds through the vast expanse of space. Moving on to number 3, we have the Voyager probes. These stellar explorers were born in the year 1977, courtesy of the brilliant minds at NASA. With an impressive speed of 38,610 miles per hour, the Voyager probes have earned their place on this list. The Voyager probes are not just fast, they are reliable too. The speed data confidence rate for these probes stands at a solid 95%. Why, you ask? Well, that's because these are among the most successful space missions ever undertaken. The data recorded from these missions is well documented and highly reliable. Now let's talk about the unique features of the Voyager probes. These probes are not just vehicles, they are ambassadors of humanity, carrying a golden record filled with sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. They were designed to communicate a story of our world to extraterrestrials, if they were to be found. What's even more astounding is the price tag on these cosmic speedsters. The Voyager probes cost a whopping $895 million. But considering their achievements and the wealth of knowledge they have provided us about our solar system, it's safe to say that they were worth every penny. And now, for the fun fact. Did you know that the Voyager probes have left our solar system? That's right. These probes are moving at about 38,610 miles per hour and are the farthest man-made things from Earth. They've journeyed beyond the realms of our solar system, venturing into the vastness of interstellar space. Coming in at second place, we have the Helios probes. These impressive spacecraft were a joint venture, brought to life by none other than NASA and the German Aerospace Center. Conceived and launched in the year 1974, these probes were built to be fast. And when I say fast, I mean they clocked in at an astonishing speed of 157,078 miles per hour. Now, the speed data confidence rate for the Helios probes is around 85%. You might be wondering why it's not a solid 100. Well, these were joint missions using older technology, so some data might be slightly off. But let's not forget, they're still incredibly fast. What sets the Helios probes apart? It's their extraordinarily close orbit to the Sun. Imagine hurtling through space, closer to the Sun than any spacecraft had dared to venture before. It's no wonder they were so speedy. They were practically chasing the Sun. So what's the fun fact about these speed demons? The Helios probes were so fast, Their speed was comparable to that of a comet. Yes, you heard it right. These man-made marvels were zipping through space just like a comet would. Orbiting the sun at breathtaking speeds, the Helios probes truly show the power of human ingenuity. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. The fastest vehicle ever created by mankind, the Parker Solar Probe. This speed demon was born out of the ingenious minds at NASA in the year 2018, carrying a hefty price tag of $1.5 billion. The Parker Solar Probe is no ordinary spacecraft. Its mission? To touch the sun. Yes, you heard that right. This probe is studying the sun up close and personal, all while cruising at an unbelievable speed of 430,000 miles per hour. Now, you might be wondering about the confidence in this data. Well, we're about 90% sure of it. While its mission and data are still ongoing, the probe's speed has been well documented and is nothing short of astounding. And here's a fun fact to really blow your mind. The Parker Solar Probe doesn't just circle around the sun from a safe distance. No, it dives right into the sun's scorching outer atmosphere, or corona, to collect data. It's a spacecraft that's literally touching the sun. So there you have it. Touching the sun at a mind-boggling 430,000 miles per hour, the Parker Solar Probe is the undisputed champion of speed. And there you have it, folks. An exhilarating journey through the top 10 fastest vehicles ever created by humanity. Whoa, we've traveled from Earth to the edge of the solar system. You know you want to take a ride on one of these someday, right? If you love speed, share, comment, and zoom back here for more jaw-dropping stories.